Hello everyone, welcome to another really interesting video. Today I will talk about more about why is Square a good option for small businesses. Now, obviously Square is a great app, is a great platform, and a great payment processor when it comes to, small businesses. So if you're a small business and if you're looking to use Square for your small business, I would advise you to watch this video till the end. So as you can see, this is Square, and by the way, if we go here to plans, you can see that we have free plan, plus plan, and then we have premium plan as well. So for free, anyone can get started. And if you have a small business that is just getting started or a small business that is already well established, you can go for free or a plus plan. Now, as you can see, you can sell in person, online, over the phone, or out in the field. No setup fees or monthly fees, only pay when you take a payment. As you can see, they also have a processing fees as well. Which I'm not sure exactly how much their fees are, but as you can see, you can get started for free. Now, this is a great tool because as you can see right here, Square specific products are really great for small businesses. And as you can see, for any small business that is processing less than $120,000 a month, Square is a great alternative to any payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, or any other payment methods as well. Now, Square also has the POS and payment processing solution because it comes with no fixed monthly costs. So if you have an online business or a brick and mortar business, you can use Square POS payments or online payments as well. Now, as you can see, it comes with no fixed monthly costs and offers incredible value with the free POS system. So you can obviously go and visit Square for more information on that, but I would say overall, Square is definitely a great product and a great payment processor for for small businesses. Now, as you can see, here is Square products. Now you have obviously payments, mobile and in-store payments. You have hardware, you have vertical terminal, you have invoicing, chargeback and dispute management. Everything a small business needs. You also have a POS, point of sale. So you have iPad and mobile app, so your customers can pay you via iPad and mobile. And then you have customer management, team management, inventory tracking, reporting and analytics, stuff like that. You also have retail, retail stuff like Square for retail, Square for restaurants, Square appointments. So, Square has a wide variety of products based on your needs and based on your business. So if you're a restaurant, this is great for you. If you're a retail or retailer, this is great for you. If you have an e-commerce store, you can also do that. If you have a service-based business, you can also use Square for your service-based business. You have loyalty products, email and SMS marketing, customer messaging, payroll and benefits, checking accounts, debit cards, savings accounts, also small business loans. That is why Square is probably the best fit for your small business. Now, this is basically all you have to do and all you have to know in order to use Square for small businesses. I think it's a great alternative to any payment method out there. Would love to see your feedback if you already use Square. Comment down below so we can help small business owners to see if this payment processor is the best option for small businesses. I would say yes, it definitely is. This is my personal opinion, but we will definitely see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.